Okay, today I want to just give you a quick introduction to the LRS Pronto. This is a single button Pronto that can be powered from the mains, or it can be powered from batteries. If the batteries are going to run low, it'll actually send a message to the manager saying that unit 21, for example, batteries are running low, please change them. Yeah, but also, more importantly, is this CT, this Capture Technologies Limited pager. And this is a pager that's been developed by one of the companies within the LRS UK group. Now, Capture Technologies took a standard pager, which it was a standard pager, that other companies sell, we're not frightened of mentioning that. But their pages aren't the same as our pages. We have different things going on inside this one that aren't in theirs. And regarding compatibility, well, you might get some messages through, but I can assure you that if you go and buy an alternative to this one for LRS paging, then you end up with problems, no doubt. So the CT pager, the Capture Technologies pager, as you can see, it's got a big screen, and it can display a pretty big message actually. So if I just press a button like that, if you can see that, assistance required area 1. That's great for anything to do with things like first aid or emergencies within your premises, anything like that. And we even have devices these days that can connect into your fire alarm that are low cost and do the same thing. Now, LRS does have a brand new text messaging pager coming along. This one is from the UK, and you can only buy the Capture Technologies one from the UK. But the LRS one, the new LRS one, I'm not going to discuss it right now on camera, but it's a very powerful and useful device. This pager isn't designed to replace the LRS pagers. Now, this small device you can see is designed to fit inside fire alarms and things like that. It has many other uses because it actually has 7 connections there that can be programmed for either open or closed, and if the state changes, then it can message one of these pages. It's a very, very innovative but low-cost solution to these problems, where I watch competitors and some of their products costing hundreds and hundreds of pounds, and this one certainly doesn't. It also comes with a 3-year warranty, and the fly leads, as you can see, are all there, all available. It works from literally 5 volts to up to 24 volts. So it's a very, very flexible and powerful device. If you want to know more about the OEM-TX, just ask. Now, I'm not going to go into massive depth about the CT pager, except to say that you can actually run this one on rechargeable batteries, and you can put your rechargeable battery in there and just recharge it up overnight if you want. Or you can use standard batteries. I recommend something like Duracell. And yeah, it'll operate very nicely. And you can see it comes with its plastic case, or its plastic clip. But we also have a leather case for making the unit far more robust than it is with the plastic clip. For all of the features on this pager, really you need to go to our website or our shop, or give us a call, and we can loan you a pager if you want to, or a system if you want to try it. Just simply call 01782 53 7000 and speak to the customer services people. They're great guys and are always there to help you. Lastly, you could visit lrspagers.co.uk for the whole rundown. And don't forget, we've got a YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/LongRangeSystemsUK with, well, I think about 50 videos or more. That's it for now, and I'll see you soon.